Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Underdog Fantasy to PayPal. Okay, so here I am already logged on to Underdog Fantasy. As you can see, I have some money in here and I'm just going to withdraw my withdrawable balance. So at the very bottom you'll see multiple options. You're going to click on the account option, so click there. Okay, from here you can see I have $3 that is withdrawable. On this screen here under balance management, one of the options is withdrawal, so click on withdraw here. Okay, from here you'll see your withdrawable amount, your bonus, and you're going to type in the amount that you could withdraw. Pretty much the only amount that you could withdraw should show up under this withdrawable amount here, so I'm going to type in $3 right there. So I'm going to select the option to withdraw to PayPal, but you could also withdraw through your online banking. So click on PayPal and continue. And then I'm going to type in my PayPal email address. Okay, I typed in my PayPal email address, going to hide that from this video, but after you typed it in, you should see a green check mark. And from there, click on withdrawal. And it's just going to tell you that a confirmation email has been sent to the email address that you registered with your Underdog Fantasy account, and you actually have to go into that email and confirm that you are trying to withdraw money. So go to your email address, confirm that you're doing this withdrawal, and that is how you withdraw money from Underdog Fantasy. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.